You're ready to go, but your car has other plans. No matter where you are or what the weather is like. Snowy days, rainy days, road trips, or remote wilderness, you might encounter this problem. No other cars. No help around. That's when a dead battery becomes a real problem. No waiting. No pushing. No asking strangers for help. Whether you're at home, on the road, or miles away from help. Because safety isn't just about driving. It's about knowing you can always get going. A dead battery shouldn't stop your day. Keep one in your car, and drive with confidence.